There's a simple dust collector bin level sensor. It keeps you from overflowing the bin and filling up the cyclone. So basically, there's just a cheap 12 volt power supply, typical wall wart. There's a sensor here for distance from the dust shavings, and two lights. When the level rises, the green goes out, the red starts flashing. It's actually a lot brighter than it looks in the video, but because it's flashing so fast, the video doesn't really capture it well. And so as long as the level is low enough, you'll have a green light, and you'll have a flashing red light when the level raises. And the sensor is just an infrared sensor. It sends out a beam and it reflects off the wood shavings. The sensor is adjustable to any distance. Oneida recommends that you start at a 4-inch distance, and I'll probably do that and just keep a real eye on it and figure out where it's best to maximize the space without having an overflow situation. Other places sell this for $150. What you're looking at here is about $40 worth of parts.